So right now we're at the Bean and it's very busy. I think the last time we were at the Bean. Okay, so I think the last time that we were at the Bean was when I was like 7 or 6 years old. So we haven't been at the Bean for a long time. So here is our picture. My dad didn't take it because he had very much anxiety and he didn't want to do it. But it was really cool. Like it wasn't that very like high up. Well, it didn't look that high up, but it like when you were on the ground, it looked high up. Are you okay, miss? Like super much. And right now we're waiting for our hot dogs and pretzels.
Bobby, come here.
It's super sunny on the other side, and there's not many people though on this side. It's really sunny on the other side of the Beam, but not as like crowded as the other side. And oh my gosh, it looks so big from the side. Imagine it crushing your house. You'd be a flat pancake. Guys, I don't know, but I'm super hungry and I think I'm hallucinating. I kind of feel like that's a big jelly bean. Comment down below if that was a real jelly bean, how long it would take me to finish it. Maybe years or months or days? No. That could feed my whole village. Wait, come. Yes, oh wait. Okay, so now we're walking away from the main. Oh my god, are those hot dogs? Okay, look at. That's what Chicago hot dog looks like. There's no ketchup. It's only pickle, mustard, jalapenos, like green peppers or something, and tomato. And of course the bun. But there's like black cheese on it.
Are you still smiling for the picture? I'll take a picture of you.
Okay, so now we're gonna leave downtown to go back to our town where we live.
We've been here for 2 hours.
And yeah, we're walking back to the station so that we can leave on the train.
Yeah.
And we have to do it in the time provided, which it's like 2:30 or something, and the train comes to leave at 4:20, and it comes to leave at 4:50. That's when the time is, so we have to get there in like 30 minutes. We'll be on the train in like, I don't know, maybe 20 minutes, so we're not late. Because then we would have to get on the train with all the work people, and it's gonna be jam-packed, and nobody wants that. So, yeah, we're gonna have to walk really fast or take a cab. My mom wants to walk, and then my dad wants to take a cab. Can you tell which one's more fit? Comment down below. Here comes the cab. We ended up taking the cab. Because it's only like, I don't know, 4:30 maybe?
4:30-ish, yeah.
Like 20 more minutes.
That's a big Starbucks. Yeah.
But we have to be there earlier so that we can actually get on the train.
Food hall.
The center of my fingers are gone.
Huh?
We're almost there. We're here.
Alright. This way. Oh, thank you.
Oh, but wait.
Got Daddy's phone?
I like climbed over the fence back there.
You're so savage.
Heritage Corridor is 40 on track number 3.
Okay, yeah, so we're just about to make it before it leaves. I don't know where we're going, but I'm just following my dad. It's a little dark though. Hope you can see me. It's really hot in the trains. But anyways, that concludes our trip to Chicago, downtown, Windy City, blah, 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 blah. Anyways, bye.